Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your Midjourney password. For that, just go and open your Midjourney app, and if you don't have app, just go and open their web. And now go on your menu button that will be on your bottom left corner and log out from your account. And after that you need to tap on login button, and there you'll get two options to log in: Google and Discord. If you are using your Google, just go and open any Google app. For example, you can use your Google Gmail, and then tap on manage your Google account. There you'll get option to reset your password. Just follow the prompts and you'll be able to reset your password. And if you're using your Discord to log in, just go and open your Discord app, and from here go to your account and tap on gear button. That's our settings, and there you need to reset your password area and enter your current password and enter new password. And by doing that, you will reset your Discord password and your Midjourney password will be reset itself. And that is how you can reset your Midjourney password. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.